now, and I cannot see myself. Well, I get. Oh my gosh, someone is there is. Oh, I'm just a headless figure right now. Also, I'll share a screen real quick. Um, let me just share a screen. Where are you? This is what my character looks like right now. It's lagging. Okay, it's too normal now. It's normal now. I look like a bald like person that just got barbecued. I look like a bald barbecued human. And now I think lagging won't let me go through the other AUs. Finally, and I can't get out. I'll be in Snowden, okay? Which one? Torio or Sand and Papyrus? Okay, isn't it Sand and Papyrus? Oh my god, there's this guy that I think he just died, but he had his hair still on. He was Asgore. It was blue hair. He had blue hair on. I see you. It's like then all of them are gone. Wait. LMAO. LMAO. That's how I feel right now. I'm laughing too much. Meow. Wait, let me just find something. Markiplier. Cat stuff. I don't know. Here it is. No! Someone just died. I see that, and I am very severely worried. The voice chat just quit it out on me. I was about to say, hey, the voice chat ended on accident. It might have been me. You sound like air for a second. Female dog. Sorry, I just didn't want to be cat. They're calling themselves a bitch. They're calling themselves a female dog. Ah, doggo, no. Pets the doggo. Pets the doggo. I love doggos. Is she? Is it? Please no. I come back. I need it. I need hug. I need hug. Hugs. Hugs. Don't be. Don't be. It's like it's like mad face. It's like don't be scared. That's what I do to the dog. I kill the dog. You. But You
He's a nice dog.
were scared. But you were scared! Scared! No! No! Come back, Doggo! No! Doggo! No! Stops. Doggo. But the fails. No! No! I is sorry. I drown. I drown myself now. I drown myself now. Since I accidentally killed a doggo, I drowned myself. Drowns the self. Drowns the self. Joe is just right there, just like dot. Ah! Someone just private chatted me. Ah! No! Yeet! 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 No! I don't know. Gum. Someone just said gum.
I know.
Hugs. Remember that one time in the role play, like when we were like role playing? Remember like when Blueberry kissed Spell?
Oh yeah.
Then Dino saw, just like I give it to the other people. I sorrow, doggo. I sorrow, doggo. You will be forever remembered. 10 days later, what happened to Doggo? Wait, who is Doggo? You'll forever be remembered. 10 days later, what happened to Doggo? Wait, who is Doggo? The falls. The dead. The dead. I'm gonna zoom in so like I can just see things. It's like so I can just do this. It's like like when a little kid falls, this is what the reaction is. Oh shit. Ocean Man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Also, this is like the channel that I use for cursing, so don't worry about cursing.
Wait, are you recording this?
Yes, but they can't see your face.
Good.
You know why? Cause I put it in another tab so they can't see it. Oh yeah, this is a doggo. I have a picture of it, but I can't give it to you because, but it is like what? I found it. Oh no, that's not the right one. Where are the photos?
Doggo killed me.
Oh. 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 Hello, darkness starts to play. Hello, darkness starts to play. Hello, dark. Buck! Buck! Does anybody else know what baka means?
Yes.
Yes! I kill you! Ah! Uh,
Just dead. Don't be a different character.
okay. Let me just use escape real quick. Wait, what if you tried escaping from life? What if you tried escaping from a game and then said, wait, I'm still there, I was there for a second. I'll be my favorite character. Meow meow, I'm a cow, said meow meow, I'm a cow. Wait, beep beep, I'm a sheep, beep. I would curse saying the B word right now. Where is Azzy? Azzy, where are you? No, there's no underfill Azzy. No, oh thank God, I thought I was first for a second. I could be Tem, or I could try being Alfie's. Nah,
Breathing over your body right now. Be happy.
I do. I am. I tried saying I am, and I accidentally said I do. When you watch too many animes and you say I do. I'm in my favorite character that is the only Azrael I can find. Dude!
There are only said many Azrael.
What?
There are only so many Azrael.
I know. I made a drawing of Undertale Azrael and like regular Undertale Azrael, and I am here.
Oh!
Like it's like someone could hear me and I said, I am here. And like they said, okay. Hello. Hello. You know what? Maybe something better, but my coolness killed the doggo. My coolness killed the doggo. To me, I'm shorter than you right now.
I know.
I'm just like, my character is tall, but like, to me, you're like a giant right now.
Really?
You're taller than me!
Actually, you're taller than me in my eyes.
Let me zoom. I can't zoom into your eyes, but I can just do this. Magic. I'm actually walking backwards for my character. Yeah. I'm gonna come back as Sugarberry, and you know what I'm gonna say?
What?
I am Sparta! I am Sugarberry! What?